Here we are in section 2.3, numbers 9 through 14. Solve for the specified variable. So this is when we're taking a formula and getting it so f is by itself. There's our f right here, and we've got to get rid of the x, so we'll be dividing by that. And over here, the b and the n are times together is one number. We can subtract those off first. Remember, get rid of the addition and subtraction first. So we have p minus bn equals fx. Now you see how the problem got smaller and the f is getting closer and closer to being by itself. Now we have to get rid of that x, so divide by it because it's timesing. And there we have it. F equals p minus bn over x. Good. Number 10. Here we want to get f by itself again. Here's the f. It's going to be very similar to this one, except we have that divided by 2. Well, if you don't like it, get rid of it. Times by 2 times by 2. That undoes that division by 2 there. So we have 2 capital F equals xf minus xz. Now we get rid of any addition subtraction here, so we get rid of this guy by adding xz to both sides. We have 2 capital F plus xz. Can't really combine those together. So the last one, we get f by itself by dividing by x. So we're done with 2f plus xz all over x equals that little f. And that's what we were instructed to do, get little f by itself. Number 11, we're trying to get t by itself. So add the 3p over, and then divide by 5. So we get t equals m plus 3p over 5. Number 12, getting r by itself. So there's our r right there. We have to get rid of the pi and the l, and they are multiplying, so we have to divide them off. Oh, that was a nice one. R is now by itself. LSA over pi L. Good. Number 13. We're trying to get q by itself, which is right there. Now here we have an ugly fraction over here, but in general, look at that. Q is just by itself if we can get rid of that. So let's add this. I don't know what T1 is, T2 there, but if we add it to both sides, it goes away over here, and then q is now by itself. And we just can't combine these two together. But good. This gives you good practice in being able to manipulate these equations. You really are powerful, and you can show them what's up. Okay, we got to get g by itself. Where's g? There he is. So let's get rid of that fraction. Times by 7 times by 7. So we have 3s minus 4g equals 7c. We can subtract this 3s off, make the problem even smaller, minus 3s. So we get negative 4g equals 7c minus 3s. Then divide by this negative 4, so the g is now by itself. We get g equals 7c minus 3s, that is an s, right? All over negative 4. Now, some of you may want to move that negative sign up to the top and make it a positive 3s and a negative 7c, and that's perfectly all right if you would like to do that. Good.